Hello guys, and welcome back to Relaxing English with Phanit. Have you ever read a sentence that just never seemed to end? Like the writer forgot to take a breath? That is a run-on sentence. In this session, you'll learn how to recognize, avoid, and correct run-on sentences effectively. Think of run-on sentences like a tangled rope, messy and hard to follow. By the end, you'll know how to turn them into neatly structured sentences, just like a perfectly tied knot. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a run-on sentence? A run-on sentence occurs when two or more independent clauses, complete thoughts, are incorrectly joined without proper punctuation or conjunctions. Here's what to look for. First, the sentence has multiple subjects and verbs that could stand alone as separate sentences. Second, it feels too long or confusing when read aloud. For example, take this sentence. I love reading books. I can spend hours in the library. The first clause, I love reading books, is a complete thought. The second clause, I can spend hours in the library, is also complete. The problem? No punctuation or conjunction connects them. That's what makes it a run-on. Run-on sentences come in two main types. 1. Fused sentences. These happen when two independent clauses are smashed together with no punctuation at all. For example, she was late, she missed the bus. Oh, here, she was late and she missed the bus are fused without any separation. 2. Comma splices. These occur when two independent clauses are joined only by a comma, missing a necessary conjunction. For example, it was raining, we stayed inside. Oh, the comma alone isn't enough to connect it was raining and we stayed inside. Remember, commas can't do the job alone. They need help from conjunctions or stronger punctuation. Now let's fix those run-ons. Here are 4 foolproof methods. 1. Use a period. Split the clauses into separate sentences. For example, oh, run-on. I love reading books. I can spend hours in the library. Oh, fixed. I love reading books. I can spend hours in the library. 2. Use a comma plus FANBOYS conjunction. Add a comma and one of these words, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Oh, run-on. She was late, she missed the bus. Oh, fixed. She was late, so she missed the bus. 3. Use a semicolon. Link closely related clauses with a semicolon. Oh, run-on. It was raining. We stayed inside. Oh, fixed. It was raining. We stayed inside. 4. Use a subordinating conjunction. Turn one clause into a dependent clause with words like because, although, or since. Oh, run-on. He was tired, he went to bed early. Oh, fixed. Because he was tired, he went to bed early. With these tools, you can tackle any run-on sentence. Even after learning the fixes, watch out for these common mistakes. 1. Comma splice. Don't use just a comma between independent clauses. Incorrect. I like tea, she prefers coffee. Oh, correct. I like tea, but she prefers coffee. Overusing and. Stringing too many clauses together with and creates a mess. Incorrect. I woke up late and I missed breakfast and I ran to school. Correct. I woke up late, missed breakfast, and ran to school. No punctuation in long sentences. Don't let sentences drag on without breaks. Incorrect. The meeting ran late, we missed lunch, everyone was hungry. Correct. The meeting ran late, we missed lunch, and everyone was hungry. Keep these pitfalls in mind to write clearly and effectively. Time to practice. Here are 3 run-on sentences. Try fixing them using the methods we've covered. 1. He wanted to go swimming, it was too cold outside. Hint, try a comma plus conjunction or a semicolon. 2. The movie was exciting, we watched it twice. Hint, this is a comma splice. How can you correct it? Flu, she studied hard, she passed the exam. Hint, could a subordinating conjunction work here? Pause here to think about your answers. Then let's review them together. Let's check your work. 1. He wanted to go swimming, it was too cold outside. Fixed with a period. He wanted to go swimming, it was too cold outside. Fixed with a comma plus conjunction. He wanted to go swimming, but it was too cold outside. 2. The movie was exciting, we watched it twice. Fixed with a semicolon. The movie was exciting, we watched it twice. Fixed with a conjunction. The movie was exciting, so we watched it twice. Flew, she studied hard, she passed the exam. Fixed with a subordinating conjunction. Because she studied hard, she passed the exam. Great job! These corrections make the sentences clear and grammatically sound. To wrap up, here's how to avoid run-on sentences. Check for multiple subjects and verbs in a sentence. Read your writing aloud to hear unnatural pauses. Use the 4 methods we covered: periods, semicolons, comma plus fanboys, or subordinating conjunctions. And that's it. You're now a run-on sentence expert. Remember, great writing isn't just about what you say, but how clearly you say it. By fixing run-ons, you'll keep your ideas sharp and your readers engaged. So next time you're writing, take a moment to check. Are your sentences team players, working together smoothly, or are they tripping over each other? A quick edit can make all the difference. Thanks for learning with me. Now go out there and write with confidence.